Hello everyone, this is going to be a short introduction for how to create a link in your email. Today's example is Gmail. We're going to start a new email by hitting Compose, and then we would just type in the message that we want to send. And so we need a link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a tab on my web browser, and I'm going to use an example. In this case, I'm going to use the example of our library, the Winchester Public Library. And I'm going to copy this link right up here because that's where I want people to go. So maybe I'll edit this message a tiny bit. There we go. So if I wanted to put the link, I would just hit copy paste, and see it turns blue because it knows this. When you're in Gmail, it knows that anything that starts with HTTPS is a link, and it's going to turn it into a link. It even knows if it starts with www that it's supposed to be a link. So we've added it to an email and people can click on it, but say you added text to an email, right? And it didn't turn blue, but you wanted it to turn blue, and you had just copied and pasted that that link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to hit the little link button that looks like a chain link down here, and it knows that that is HTTPS ://www. So it turned it into a link immediately. And if I click on it, it opens the Winchester Public Library website. But there's another thing you can do. If you don't want to have all of the text of a link, what you can do is turn text into a link. So say we wanted people to click on, people receiving this email to click on WPL website so that they could click on the website and send them to the link. So I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm going to highlight the text that I want to turn into a link. I'm going to hit the link button, insert link down at the bottom, and then I'm going to paste the link to the library website as a web address. Where should it go to? What URL should this link go to? Right here. And the text that it's going to display, WPL website. So I hit OK, and there we go. When this text gets sent to someone else, they will be able to see it and click on it, and we can even click on it by tapping the link but not clicking on the link itself. It gives us the go to, and if I press this with the control button, it opens up in a new tab so I can see Winchester Public Library. So that's how to create a link in your messages in your email using Gmail.